I'm Dara Sharma. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to start a video series of fundamentals of software development. In this series, you will learn basic concepts required to develop any type of software as well as each and every phase or step of software development in detail. Today in this video, I am going to summarize the concept of software engineering and importance of this subject. The content I am going to cover in this video: what is software? We will see some of the types of software. Then we will see what is software engineering. You will learn about different phases of software development. Then we'll see needs of software engineering. And at last, you will understand the importance and application of this subject. Let's focus on the subject name, fundamentals of software development, which means basic concepts to develop a software. So firstly, let's understand what software is. So software is a collection of multiple computer programs, procedures, rules and concerned data with the operations of data processing system. You are surrounded by different software nowadays, whether it is a mobile application or any website or any software operated in PC or laptop. So there are two types of software. One is system software and the other is application software. System software is a software that controls and integrates the hardware components of a system. The best example of system software is operating system, as it controls and manages the background processes as well as we can operate many other softwares over it. And if I talk about application software, it is used to accomplish some specific task. Basically, it is developed as per user's needs or requirements. For example, if user wants to make his or her manual work easy by digitalizing it, then to serve the purpose, software can be developed, which is called application software. For example, Microsoft Word, banking application, railway reservation system, etc. Now the next important term needs to be understood is software engineering. So as we discussed earlier about software, to develop a software successfully as per the needs, we need to follow some basic steps using tools and technologies. Software engineering provides a complete environment to develop a software. The steps and tools involved in developing software collectively work as an environment for building up a software. Software engineering provides a framework that guides software engineers to develop the particular software. Here are some general steps to develop the softwares: requirement analysis, then documentation, then design, then implementation, or you can say coding, then testing, and at last the maintenance. Let's have some basic understanding about each step or each phase of software development. So first we have seen requirement analysis. So firstly we need to understand the needs or requirements of software. We need to understand that what exactly client needs us to develop for him. So by communicating with the client, requirements are clearly understood. Now the next step is documentation, in which after understanding the client's requirement, it is needed to document the same. Documentation is done after each phase for different purposes. As to know the requirements, the document can be referred. Also to see the diagrammatical structure of a system, document is prepared. For testing also the document is prepared. That we will understand in detail in my upcoming videos. The third step is design. Now as it is human nature that we very well understand the things if we can visualize rather than reading it from any document. So the well-defined requirements from the document are then converted into diagrams or in some structures by which we can understand the flow of the system very clearly. We can understand the functionalities or requirements step by step. We get the way for initializing actual implementation. So after designing, next step is implementation, which means coding. Now whatever is designed needs to be converted into executable form. The functionalities or requirements are developed with the help of coding so that we can get the output as we want. After coding, we need to test the system if it is properly working or not. So next step is testing. Testing is a process of finding errors or mistakes. We check each and every functions of the system if we are getting the exact outcome as we want or not. There are many types of testing is done that we will later understand in my upcoming videos. At the end, a phase comes maintenance. Any types of changes are done in this step. For example, if we found any errors or mistakes in testing phase, then to solve the errors, changes are made in this phase. Or if the software is developed and delivered to client and in future any other requirements are needed to be added, then also it is considered to be a part of maintenance phase. This is how a software is developed, by performing all the tasks as I explained in each phase. So at the end, let me conclude the needs of software engineering. It helps software developers to obtain high quality software product. It helps to develop a software in proper manner. With the help of software engineering, it is possible to deliver a software product on time. You can decide or conclude the time in advance. You can calculate the cost in advance and accordingly can provide a software in that agreed cost. It helps in solving complex problems easily and efficiently. So this subject, fundamentals of software development or say software engineering, will provide you the guidance how quality software can be developed with proper planning and better understanding. This subject is all about explaining each and every development phase of software, as well as it will provide you a knowledge about other aspects related to software development process. For example, you will learn different techniques to perform many tasks involved in the process, like calculating cost, managing different resources, maintaining quality and performance, etc. It will provide guidance how things can be planned before starting development, as well as it will provide knowledge regarding other activities that are performed parallel to development processes. It was the introductory video for the subject. Still, let me show you some important questions that may be helpful to you to focus on important things discussed in the video. What is software? What are the different types of software? What is software engineering? Then what are the different phases in developing a software? What are the needs of software engineering? And what is the purpose of studying this subject? I hope you like the video. This video series is going to be very interesting. We will learn all the aspects related to software development in detail. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for other interesting videos like this. If you like the video, then please like and share it with others also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.